I don't know why scammers always play the victim. Jack rolling people out of their hard earned money, all in the name of you gonna give them more money. Kanti umgulukudu womkhufefe wonkinsela isiyeqa amabhilidi. Yeah, umzubaba wedlala kuvenze. Bese uba yi-victim. Keep imali. When we go to the ATM, you don't give stories, you just put card and put pin. You don't say, hi, you just card pin, money comes out. No explanations. Ngicabanga wena. Amukela kumqobo yami bomntu abakadadi bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-auntie bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Wait, announcement. Those who want classes, I'm gonna have my online classes starting. I'm just still structuring the program. I'm gonna only have 4 students a month. I don't want to overwhelm myself. So if you want those, it's gonna be weekly one-on-ones and then the group class and then homework, which is your content, obviously. So I can only handle 4 people per month. So I'm only gonna have this program like for the next few months. I'm talking about this as if like I already said something before. So I said it at the thingy. So if you're interested in one-on-one sessions with me, it's a 1 month program. So it's a 4 week program. Hit me up on Tariq Amukhala. I will leave all my details down below on Tariq Amukhala. Hi Nina, guys. It is so rare that I promote kiddies channels, but it is because of the personality. And umuntu oyistar umbona asazona ukuthi lo yistar, okay? Oh, my baby Lisa, ngikuthanda ukufa. The personality, not that we even share a surname, but your personality is everything. Guys, please get your children, get your babies to subscribe. Mothers, also, you please subscribe to this channel. So stunningly, devastatingly needed. I love, 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 love it.
Hi guys, my name is Lisa. So I am the girl, dance girl. Please like, subscribe to watch my videos.
Focus.
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 Bati, focus.
Iwa.
It's not more drink a cow.
Kuthiwani?
More like a princess lady. Kushukuti chocolate. Chocolate. It's chocolate.
Now, if you haven't heard the name Mpho Maseme, you are so lucky, because if you are a content creator or you are trying to create a brand for yourself, his name has been in our corridors for the longest time. He writes himself as a manager who is there to look for opportunities for you. So you have to be under his management and you pay a retainer so that he goes out there and looks for opportunities for you. But now with Umpo, he will reach out or you will reach out to him. And when you reach out initially, there is a big opportunity, there is a big brand, there is something. So you must pay upfront. You need to pay the retainer. Oh, he has a retainer, the money that you pay monthly upfront. Ne? You pay him for his services before he even delivers, because this opportunity is going to be missed. You need to get this opportunity. Chiggy chiggy, he takes your money. Then he starts with the stories. He'll give you many excuses to do with you. He will tell you, no, they don't find you structured. He will tell you so many things apart from telling you that you got the job or your money is coming back to you. He has scammed lots, more than 12, 13 people that I know. Yes, guys. So now he was on Engineer Your Life with Ulungelo, right? And he was talking about how this thing has tarnished him. So many excuses, nje. Guys. Nowhere did I see full accountability. Oh, but Lungelo was on his ass.
Hey, the thing is, I wasn't communicating effectively with her. So for me, in terms of taking accountability, I'm unable to talk to her even on Instagram because we are not able to talk. The minute I try to talk, there's a screenshot on Instagram. The minute I try to talk, there's something on her page.
Sorry, I want to interrupt you. But you're not telling me anything about giving her money back, because it seems like you promised a service and you didn't deliver on the service. So what is there to talk about when she is saying, just give me my money?
So the kind of talking about with them was more of settling what I owed her. Remember,
You have her account number, surely. It doesn't need a conversation.
for me, it's not a thing that I don't want to. It's just that I would say that I don't have the ability to at the moment.
She's not the context
Yeah,
of your only transgressions that have been publicized.
true.
There's Zola Z Loving. There's Tabile TTO. There is a number of people who apparently you ask for money up front, they pay you, and then you never deliver. There's more than 10 people on social media who've built brands. This is their livelihood. And apparently you present to them as if you've got a campaign secured already for them. But always the clause with you is that people must pay up front. What is this that people are paying for that they never get a service for? Alizwe is not wrong for going out and coming out and saying, I've been scammed. She's not the only one. I think it's fair to say these people are not all delusional. There's more than 10 people. I just gave you 3 names now. There's more than 10 people in Paul who've come out saying you've promised them a service and you didn't deliver. And after not delivering, many say you block them and disappear. That's not communication.
Now, there is a girl by the name of Alizwe, one of this man's victims, right? This man is trying to throw Alizwe under the bus, being a manipulator that he is, saying that Alizwe's brand is very risky. He was not able to market Alizwe because her brand is this and that. Nobody, your brand is risky because you take people's money, you take things from people, and you don't deliver. And then you go through this, oh, I have taken accountability. I am so sorry. It will never happen again. I've seen where I've gone wrong and I want to fix it. But you never do. You never do. Instead, I don't even, and then sometimes you always proclaim to have these grand stories. You lost a family member, mang. We're never going to feel sorry for you anymore, Paul, because you are all out of excuses. When? And I say this unashamedly, wholeheartedly, because I have seen your work and I have seen your damage. Do you know how hard it is to be a content creator, trying to work with brands and thinking that someone is bringing you an opportunity, all the while they are scamming you out of money, putting your life sometimes at risk because you tell people to go to dodgy places, knowing very well there's no brand or campaign happening. Oh, Mpo, oh, you will pay for your sins. Yabona wena, usile. And ukusa kwakho, sometimes you think uzobuloyiwe. Sometimes uzocabanga ukuthi things are not going well. Oh, it's your punishment. It's people's tears, Mpo. Inyembezi zabantu aziweli phansi. It's the things you've been doing to people. Okay? I know sometimes we think that karma is slow because karma does not work in the way that we want. But I want to mean for one, I believe in heaven and hell on earth. I don't think you wait to die to experience heaven, and I don't think you wait to die to experience hell. You go through the hell you're supposed to go through. Usaphila la emhlabeni. Wenza i-payback usaphila la emhlabeni. Ncane lokho. Amanzi amancane. Guys, Umpo usile. And I wanna that interview with Lungelo solidified my disdain for him because he plays the victim so well. I don't even think he thinks he's acting anymore. He believes in his lies so much that it is so wild to me that you can believe in your lies this much. Delusions of grandeur, thinking everyone is always out to get you because you're a liar and a cheater and a scammer. You are a toenail of Satan. I said what I said, and Paul. We see right through you and the shame that you're putting out. You're not taking accountability. You're not sorry. You are not sorry. You are just sorry that your brand has been tarnished and the house of cards is falling, and now people see you for actually who and what you are. We've been quiet now, Empo. We've been quiet behind closed doors thinking, God, no, maybe next time, maybe next time. Clearly, there is no next time because you don't even see the first 4, 5, 7 times you did it to other kids. Faith when? Faith